Welcome to Empire World News, World of Auction, the premier magazine for auction houses, dealers and collectors. Now let's check out the top stories. Toy car collection fetches £100,000 British at auction. Anders Clausager has collected toy cars for 60 years. He never imagined that his collection of 700 toy cars would fetch almost £100,000 Great British at auction. The retired motoring historian's collection was so vast that an auctioneer held an individual auction just for selling these cars, which fetched double their estimated value. Chris initially gave Anders an estimate of 40 to 60,000 Great British pounds when he first went to view the collection, and Anders was really happy to get almost double that amount. That's all we have for you, see you next time.